All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, I do have some updates for you, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So we are moving into phase two. I did realize that we are in December, and at the top of the year, I did tell you that I was going to take the entire year to dedicate to machine learning and artificial intelligence. I banged out a few projects, I banged out a bunch of courses, and I feel that I have the basics and the foundations firmly under my grasp. After the 2 years of actually doing Python, strictly Python, like I said, last year I just dibbled around in it bit by bit, doing little projects here and there. Last year or this year, last year was the projects. This year were all the courses that also had projects and modules. But this year I really locked in. I coded every day, as you saw, if you followed along my journey, and I feel that I'm finally able to move on to what I really wanted to do. I wanted to start this particular course, not course, but I wanted to start this path 2 years ago, but I didn't feel like I was ready. Like I said, I wanted to dive into Python and make sure I had a full understanding of it, and make sure I had a foundation that I can move forward on. And after 2 years, I feel like I do have that under my belt now, so I'm ready to move on. So with that being said, I am going to share phase two with you that we're all going to start today. Now to begin with that, I reset my laptop. I gutted everything. I moved everything off my laptop because it is a big project that I'm going to be doing. So I put everything that I wanted to save, all of my files, everything I learned along the way. I put everything on my GitHub, and then I just basically gutted my laptop so I can make room for everything new that we're going to be doing. It looks the same because I brought back all of the same environments. But if you can see here, we do have a new addition, and I am going to show you that what we're going to be working on now, or what we're going to be working on moving forward. Like I said, I wanted to start this 2 years ago, but I didn't feel comfortable enough in my skills, and I don't think this particular platform actually played well with the language that I was learning. But now, after diving back in, I realized that I didn't realize I just discovered I didn't even know that they did this, but they implemented Python in this platform. So Python is now actually able to work on this platform, and we are going to move forward on this. Probably going to spend all next year in the foreseeable future in this platform. We're going to be doing projects here and there along the way, machine learning projects, Huggy Face projects. We're going to do those in between, but I want to spend the bulk of next year actually on this new platform, and I'm going to start now. I'm not going to start next year. I'm going to start it now so I can move into the new year, moving in the direction I want to move in. So with that being said, let's look at what we're going to be doing now. So I'm not sure if any of you are familiar with this particular platform, but it's called the Unreal Engine. And I couldn't wait to dive into this. Like I said, I wanted to start this 2 years ago, but I didn't feel like I was strong enough in my Python coding. It didn't even take Python. They kept saying C++ was the main coding language, but I came across some additional information. Now Python is used in training artificial intelligence models and machine learning models and agents. So yeah, we're all going to be diving into that aspect of the Unreal Engine. We're going to be doing a lot of machine learning and a lot of machine learning agents, a lot of building, and we're just going to be doing a whole bunch of cool stuff with this platform. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Like I said, we're not going to be doing any more TensorFlows. I'm TensorFlowed out. I believe I can build, interact, activate, initiate, initialize anything pertaining to TensorFlow, and that's a guarantee. So yeah, we're done with the TensorFlow for now. Like I said, we're going to be on this platform for a while, so we're going to dedicate all of our time to this again. We're still going to be doing projects, of course, here and there, Huggy Face and other TensorFlow projects. But as far as the coursework, we're out of the woodworks with the coursework. We're going to be strictly hands-on now and doing meaningful, real-world application work, machine learning and agent training. So yeah, this is the platform here, Unreal Engine. I downloaded. I started 7 o'clock this morning. Like I said, I had to gut everything, install the install this Unreal Engine, which took hours. Then I had to put my VS Code back up. I had to put a bunch of other applications back up, but everything is finally configured at 4:11 p.m. starting from 7 o'clock. So yeah, and these are a few things that the Unreal Engine. Of course, I'm not going to go everything with you now because I am going to go over with you in depth tonight. I'll probably just be doing I may keep doing 2 videos per day. Like I said, if I do, they're probably going to be 2 Unreal Engine videos. We'll see. I don't know. Like I said, we all gonna be doing projects in between also. So maybe I'll just squeeze the projects in here and there. I'm not sure how I'm going to work it, but if we still do 2 videos per day, most likely they're going to be 2 Unreal Engines. And if that's the case, then I might just make one long video throughout the day and leave it like that, as opposed to just making 2 separate videos. But again, I am going to make 2 videos today. That's going to be explaining everything that's going on with the Unreal Engine. I don't want to go over everything now, make the video extra long, but yeah. With that being said, this is everything that we're going to be doing, and I can't wait to start this new project with you and start moving forward with some really awesome things. But with that being said, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.